here we go. I'm just gonna set it into the hole, like that. Oh, I missed. Good morning, we continue with the build. Today's a big day. By the end of the day, I should have 2 half slider windows, 1 on each side of the bed area. So this will be a big day of cutting the holes. So we order our windows from Van Windows Direct. The installation instructions on the website are pretty rudimentary. So what I'm gonna do is make a, so I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna put it down and scribe this inner ring, but actually the hole has to be cut to the outer so the window fits all the way through, because we're gonna put the bead of sealant all along the window frame here. So the website instructions say that the template should be 29 long and 7 3/4 high. So this should be about 28 by 6 3/4, I would think. 28 and 6 3/4, so good. So all I'm going to do here to get this other measurement is come out another 1/2 inch. All the way around. Should probably have my glasses on, be a little bit more comfortable. Okay. Okay, so I've got the template cut. Is I'm going to trace the actual window also, just so I have the size and shape. And this will be a quick rough one. And that way I can place that on the outside just to get a feel for where we want it to be located. Alright, so the template's cut. Marked is inside. Let's see if this thing fits. So I think, yeah, it fits easy, which is not necessarily a good thing. There's a little wiggle room. So I think what I'll do is use this, and then when I cut, I'll try to stay right on that metal edge. But that's perfect. Okay, I've been measuring. I'm trying to find just the right location for this window template. I'm hoping to keep it fairly balanced distance-wise from the edge of that body panel outside. This is nerve-wracking to say the least. So I'm going to mark the supports here that I need to cut. My next step is going to be to make my cuts here and remove this little cross brace. And then I'll be ready to put my template back on and position it and drill out.
Grinder! They say you can hear or you can smell.
Hear it.
Well,
Keep it done.
we're committed. Number 1.
here's why you want to be careful about metal shavings, because there's a bunch right there stuck to the tape. Get that off of here. So the side that faced inside was labeled inside. So now we're going to go outside. You red-eyed? I'm going to do the one towards the back first. Okay. Thank you. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Now we're good. Now I'm going to... You're good. You're done. Yeah. So I put the cardboard on in the exact same position it was the other way. And now I'm going to trace it. I'm going to double measure, then I'll trace it.
Perfect.
Success. Caught my first hole. I dry fitted the window, it fit perfectly. So I'm going to file the edges and then prime. But we have the first window, fits perfect.
Yay. Here is our next Mother's Day project. Desmond cut out the first window hole. Oh, and he's filming. I can hear him talking because he's making a video on how to do the windows.
The next step is to take the window frame and add a bead. Primerless to glass, but they tell you to prime anyway. So, and then it says put a bead along here that's about the size of a Tootsie Roll. Okay, so the primer is on now. I've got tape in place. Window 1 is installed.
And Desmond is inside putting the other template up to do the other side. You can
But they're in, they work. No problems cutting the metal. I'm gonna vacuum again really well. Get the whole inside cleaned, have some magnets so we don't end up with any rust. But that's it, I gotta clean up quick because I got a dinner date. All right, good morning. We are today gonna work on installing our side window for the kitchen. But this is a 40-inch by 15 tall half slider, and it's going to go right here, right in this area. So I'm going to make a template of the outside. Okay, so I've placed the window kind of in the location that's about where I want it. Oh, do me a favor and oh, there you go. Boom. Hello. We have a window.
Take all the tape off, huh?
Hope it's in the right spot. Oh, yeah. This is gonna be good. No, here we go. I'm just gonna set it into the hole. Like that. Oh, I missed. That was good. How's that corner there? There we go. There we go. All right, the window is in. Almost dropped it. I don't know if that's on video. The new window's in. I'm gonna go through now and re-clean the inside, get rid of any metal shavings, make sure we don't have anything lying in there. There we have a window. Very nice. And windows in the back. So I can, I'll get that cleaned up and then I'll probably do a little rattle trap and we'll call it a day. We have somebody coming over for dinner tonight and the dog's getting a bath. So it's a big day. You want a bath?